Have you been annoyed by the Adobe PSL Library DLL pop-up ruining your productivity? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist. Let's analyze Adobe dependency and restore that missing file. As we get into the manual process for Adobe PSL Library, you can find a professional maintenance utility for environment stability. This is the Adobe PSL Library, the Adobe PostScript Library. This module manages the localized conversion of workspace graphics into the PostScript page description language, mandatory for Adobe Creative Suite to handle localized high-fidelity printing and localized PDF generation routines. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. Adobe PSL is required for Adobe to function properly. Downloading and reinstalling the current official version of Adobe will repair missing or broken application files. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Adobe PSL Library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Keep in mind that Adobe PSL Library DLL must be properly registered with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping the file into a folder rarely fixes the root cause of the error. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. A maintenance-related solution is referenced below for users who want to review diagnostic options for Adobe PSL Library. If your workstation is back online and Adobe PSL Library is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.